This is TC, and tonight on Quick Pulls, we're going to be opening up a pack of 1992-93 Fleer basketball. We are looking for those NBA All-Stars 24-card set. I am still missing number 6 and a few others, and other inserts and improvements to my personal collection like usual. So let's see what we can pull. Looks like we got blue. We got another All-Star. Danny, Carl Malone, nice. Larry Bird, Fred, James, Danny, Dwayne, Glenn Rice, Vern, Gary Payton, Chris Mullen. Let's see what we get here. Oh, looks like Stockton. There he is. Sleepy, Checklist, Chuck, and Michael. Another All-Star insert. Still looking for that Jordan. 3 packs to go. Thanks for watching.